Welcome back, Crammers, to question 8. By writing each value correct to one significant figure, work out an estimate for the value of 8.23 times 181 divided by 0.482. Show you're working clearly. So we can see that 8.23 can just be written as 8. And 181 to one significant figure means we round up to 200. And again here, since 8 is here, we can round this up to 0.5. And we can see that 8 times 200 is 1,600 divided by 0.5. We can simplify this by multiplying both sides by 2 to get rid of the denominator, times 2 times 2. So this equals 3,200 divided by 1, or simply 3,200. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.